So hello, welcome guys once again in this video, and I'm Masum here. Hope you have already subscribed my channel and like my videos and comment my videos and share my videos, because in this video I am gonna share with you 5 tricks, 5 tips, 5 way, 5 solution. By applying those, obviously you can become a native speaker. You can speak in English fluently. Okay. So before that, I hope you already have subscribed my channel. So if you are struggling same as among others, those spoken English are very rare, broken English, like they speak like broken English, then this video only for you. Watch till then. I'm gonna share you 5 tips and tricks which can help you a lot. Without wasting the time, let's discuss, and I will explain those at the end. So what are the 5 tips? The first one is listening celebrity speeches. Obviously, whether Hollywood, Bollywood or cricketers, it doesn't matter to whom you are listening. It just matter that you are listening. Okay, listening celebrity speeches can also help you a lot, because they use always new words, new phrases, etc., etc. Okay. And the second, number 2 is listening podcast. Obviously, listening podcast can help you a lot, because in the podcast, particularly in the solo podcast. Podcast means where speakers are speaking slowly. Okay, you can also make a solution, create a solution of your problem by listening those podcasts. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm gonna share the number 3 tips. Okay, now the number 3 tips is reading short stories. Okay, just take books of the kids, children's, and try to read the short story and try to understand the short stories, and try to speak by using those words, by using those sentences with someone, your friend, your family, whosoever, or your younger level kids. Okay. And number 4 is reading newspaper. Obviously, if you get chance, then try to read the newspaper which are in English. Okay, I'm not saying about the Hindi or Bengali or any other language newspaper. I'm saying about the English newspaper. Okay, must read English newspaper, because there you can find out so many new words, so many new sentences, etc., etc. Okay, now the 5 and most valuable points is, okay, try to learn a few new words, a few new sentences, a few new phrases. Okay, which can enhance your English spoken English level at in advanced level. Because if you want to a native speaker, if you want to be a fluent speaker in English, then you must try and apply these tricks. Okay. And guys, above all, the main thing is practice. Okay, what you need to do, you need to do practice, because without practice you can't be a fluent speaker, you can't speak in English. Okay, so what you need to do, just try to practice. In all my videos I always share the opinion that you should speak with yourself in front of the camera, mobile camera, or any mirror, or you can try to speak with the younger one, with your friends and family, whosoever you are comfortable with. Okay, so that is the main thing, and that plays a key role to become a native speaker in English. Okay, so I hope you guys got me, and you will obviously apply those tricks to become a fluent speaker, to become a native speaker in English, and to enhance your English level. Okay, so meet you in my next videos. Till then, bye.